Hey YouTube, so this is going to be a room review of the Swiss Hotel in Chicago. This is a king bed with the river and lake view. So when we start off, we're going to go into the bathroom. You walk in, you have a sink. They give you some towels, some soap, your glasses, magnifying mirror, some more lotion. You have two nice lights on each side, and the mirrors, you have a mirror to your right and you have a mirror to your left, so you can have a 360 view of yourself as you get ready. You have your plug-ins down here. As we move in, you have a tub with handlebar, and then you have your toilet over here in the corner, tissue holder, I guess there's some more little tissues. Then you have a stand-up shower in the corner. Okay, as you move out, you have the main bedroom area. So I'm gonna start on the right. You get a coffee maker. They give you coffee, like some utensils. As we move down, you have a little tray with, I guess, for your ice. Have a pretty decent sized TV. Have a refrigerator in here, right there. Then you have a business desk for two people that can sit here. An Ethernet cable that retracts. I don't know really who use Ethernet cables anymore, but you never know. On this lamp, you have two USB-C ports we can charge. This lamp is dimmable if need be. Has some additional plugins on the wall. As we move over, like I said earlier, you have your bed. Have another chair you can lounge in with a separate table, lamp. Your HVAC is over here in the corner. You have your lamp with two more USB charging ports here. This lamp is two-sided, so you can cut one side and both sides. Nothing really down here. You have your average telephone. On this side, same lamp, same charging ports, alarm clock with two plug-ins and two USB ports on the top. You can cut the other side lamp on and off from this side. So now I want to show you what really makes this room special. Like I said earlier, this is a river and lake view. So this is what you get. This is the 26th floor. And we have Chicago River going through right here. You have, I think it's called Navy Pier over there in the distance. And you have Lake Michigan over there. And down there is Lower Wacker Street. So everything is close by. You have a nice view of everything. So stay tuned for tonight when we're going to do the black light test. It's time for the black light test. So we're starting off at the door coming into the room. You know, dusty, but still clean. Little smudges here. As we go into the bathroom, not too bad, just little specks of dust. Cleaning the drinking glasses are not too bad. The tub. Tub is not bad.
Could be better.
The toilet is, wow. It's not bad. The shower.
Oof. That floor.
I think this is the design.
No.
Not too bad. Just dusty. Light switch. Yeah, not bad. So this does have a closet. You got a little extra blanket up top. This does come with a flashlight that's dusty. And your in-room safe with luggage rack and an ironing board. Okay, I don't know what this is on the
Oh
walls.
my gosh.
Like,
Hmm.
I don't understand how you get fluid and stuff or dirt all up on the wall like this. Did they have a leak or something behind the wall? I'm not sure. Over here is not as bad. Your little sitting area, not too bad. The remote control to the TV, little specks of dust. So now for the bed. Nightstand, little specks of dust here and there.
Yeah.
The bed. Not too bad. I got some of my stuff over here, but the sitting chair, not bad. Oh. Don't know what that is up there. So I can zoom in. Yeah. Anyway.
The headboard?
Yeah, I got the headboard.
Okay.
Well, that concludes. Oh, the phone. Yeah, not too bad. Well, that concludes our black light test. Little specks on the floor. So for more videos like this, like, comment, and subscribe. And we will see you guys on our next video.